Hey guys, welcome back to Vortex. Ever get that message that instantly kills your momentum? Hey, quick one, can you ship a website, a presentation, a video, a podcast, and a report by tomorrow? No team, no budget, no extra time, just expectations. That's the exact problem Runnable is designed to solve. Runnable isn't just another AI that writes text and leaves you hanging. It's a design-focused AI agent that actually builds things end-to-end. Websites, presentations, videos, podcasts, images, reports, documents, research, and data extraction. All inside one workspace, one workflow, instead of juggling 10 different tools. Let's start with websites, because this is where most people waste days. With Runnable, you literally describe what you want and it builds a real, live site. Layout, pages, copy, visuals, structure, all done. It's responsive out of the box, so it already works on mobile, tablet, and desktop without touching code. Here is, for example, I made a quick website for my new game Atom Assault, and all I needed to give is the screenshots and the Steam link. It pulled all the data and prepared a great professional website in just a couple of minutes. Another good example is a premium portfolio-style site, like a Tony Stark landing page. Full-screen hero, clean editorial look, and an interactive reveal effect where a blob cursor follows your mouse and reveals an alternate helmet version of the portrait underneath. Smooth motion, parallax depth, text inverts automatically for readability. This isn't a static mock-up. One click and it's deployed, connected to your domain, and live. You can also clone the look of existing sites or apps, and then customize the content and features for your own project. Once the site is done, the next pain point is presentations. Most decks look rushed or off-brand. Runnable handles this in a very designer-friendly way. You prompt the topic, audience, and key points, and it generates a full presentation with structure, visuals, and copy. For example, a Lionel Messi achievements deck. Each slide focuses on a major victory, with a high-quality image, the trophy title, and one sharp trivia line. Clean, accurate, and visually strong. You can export to PowerPoint, PDF, or Google Slides, so you are not locked in. And if you upload your brand guidelines once, every new deck automatically matches your fonts, colors, and style, without manually fixing slides. Next is video generation. Runnable has a full AI video engine built in, with access to multiple cutting-edge models like Nano Banana, WAN, and GPT Image 1.5. You can generate videos from text, images, or even restyle existing footage. You can also stitch multiple clips together, which makes it perfect for ads, promos, and social content. Think of a cinematic perfume commercial for the Vortex. A continuous crane and orbital camera move around a matte black bottle, while black ink-like smoke rises and wraps around it against a bright white background. That kind of high-end shot generated from a prompt. No cameras, no crew, no editing timeline. It's built to turn ideas into emotional visuals fast. On the audio side, podcasts are part of the same workflow. You can have Runnable help research a topic, structure an episode, and generate podcast content. For example, a conversational podcast on the rise of SpaceX, with fun facts woven in naturally. The key part is that it stays connected to everything else you are making. Same brand, same workspace, same agent. Finally, reports and documents. This is where a lot of time usually disappears. With Runnable, you give it raw data or describe what you need analyzed, and it turns that into a professional report with charts, insights, and structure. Marketing performance reports, strategy documents, internal updates. Instead of copying from spreadsheets and tools, you tell it what to include, and it pulls everything together into something that actually looks polished. All of this is supported by built-in web browsing and research, so it can extract information, compare sources, and organize findings without you jumping between tabs. That combination of creation plus research is what makes Runnable feel like a real digital worker, not just another AI toy. It's not magic. You still review outputs, especially for facts. There's a small learning curve in figuring out the best prompts for your workflow, but the payoff is huge time savings and a consistent professional look across everything you ship. Oh, and quick heads up before you go. Runnable just launched Runnable 2.1, and this update is all about the new AI canvas. One place where you generate and actually edit everything. Slides, websites, images, videos, reports, all with native controls, inspirations, and multiple AI models running at once. You can start from a prompt, a PDF, a sketch, or a screenshot, tweak layouts, swap visuals, restyle text, stitch videos, then deploy or export in minutes. It's basically Runnable doubling down on speed plus control, turning the AI output into something you can refine and ship, not just generate and abandon. If you're regularly building websites, presentations, videos, podcasts, and reports, Runnable is worth trying on a real project. Jump in, test it properly. And if you want more deep dives like this, subscribe, drop a comment with how you'd use it, and I'll see you in the next one.